guys, welcome again. I got this comment from Rev Click. I don't know if I pronounced that right, but he was asking if I could show him how to shift properly. But for me, I don't know if there is a right way to shift on this Q50. But I will show you. Yeah, this is for you. I'll show you how I shift. Sorry. I'll show you how I shift the gears. So right now it's kind of like snowy right now. So I just put it in snow mode. Show the snow. And I'm on 5th gear, cruising to 60 kilometers. That would be I don't know, 35 miles per hour, I'll say, because I'm in Canada, so we're using kilometers per hour. So yeah, I'm cruising 5th gear, because see, 5th gear in 60 kilometers per hour, and I can't shift past 5th if it is on 60. There's like a safety feature, I guess. You can't shift past that. You can't. And so I will show you from the beginning. Once we hit the red light, and that's a downshift is the 3rd, and then basically, first I think first to 2nd gear, you can shift it. So yeah, I don't think there is a right way to shift it, because you can't really overshift it. It will limit you. So unless you do it like a downshifting, the downshifting you really have to be careful, because you could go to like really high rev RPM when you're in lower gear. So I'll show you. We're gonna go to a little park here, just coming close, and then I'll show you how I shift the car. And I love about this car is the downshifting. It's really good. I like the downshifting on these cars, and especially if you have a muffler delete or an aftermarket exhaust. Like that. And we're coming up here now. It's a park. So I'm on 2nd gear, and then usually I shift it every 25 or 3,000, just so I can hear the exhaust note when I shift it. So like it looks like I'm shifting a gear, even though it's not a manual. So it feels more. It's basically just feel it, like you can do however you want it. You can shift it, it depends. Like when you're cruising, it's actually up to you how aggressive you want to shift it, But so I'm on 30 kilometers right now, which is 20 miles per hour, and I'm on 3rd gear. And I can basically downshift it, and it'll give you this sound. High revving. It's up to 2,500 on 2nd gear. And if I want to go higher RPM than that, then you shift it to 2nd. But it's not ideal. But the ideal way to do it is keep it as high gear as you can. So it's kind of busy here right now, so it's kind of hard to. And yeah, you can shift it to snow mode, eco mode. So anyway, what I noticed on snow, eco, standard, I think, yeah, that's it. The 3 modes. When you put it in manual mode, It will automatically downshift for you if you're reduced to a certain speed. Certain speed, so it will downshift it. So just keep that in mind. If you want the full, how do you say this? If you want the full experience, put it in sport and then or personal, and then traction control off, and then just play around with it. I don't know. I thought so much. I don't know if you guys understand what. So this is how I shift. Okay. So I'm in third gear, cruising at about 20 to 20, downshifting, and then because I'm going downhill and it's very very slow. So basically, there's no really right way. You can just do however you want, whatever you want with the transmission. You can do whatever you want. And by the way, we're going to a bigger park. We're heading there right now, and we're gonna do some fun activities with the car. And for me, when it's on 60 kilometers, which is it 40 miles per hour, I can't shift it past 50. It will it will make that noise, so you can't overshift it. So don't worry about that. So don't worry how to shift properly. I guess I'll just say, just mindful on your hand with the shifter, because if you for example, you're in fifth gear right now and you accidentally touch it to downshift it twice without, it's just accident, and it's not good for the car. It will be like that. The third, and then it will slow you down too, and then first, and then it makes you a nice downshifting noise. And so I'll show you again, first, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. Basically on this road, because it's 60 miles per hour, or I mean kilometers per hour, so this road is 40 miles per hour zone, so I can only shift it up to fifth. So I shifted about 3,000, and then another 3,000, and then another 25, and then 2,000, and then that's it. Oh, what is it doing? And I'm on second. I'm on 60, cruising. So we're headed there. So if you guys guessed right, we are doing some drifting, snow drifting. Wait, what's that? Oh, so this place is pretty far from the city. Well, not far, but like 30 minutes away. And I hope there's not a lot of cars in the parking lot, so we can do some fun, some sideways action. Where should we turn? And we're gonna drive really slow because it's so snow. Oh, 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 whoa. I'm gonna put it on snow mode and see if there's a difference. I don't see a car. I don't shit. Yeah. So I think the snow mode is only. So what I heard is a 50-50 front and rear, but it only applies from a start, like stop and then start. But once you're rolling, once you're moving, I don't know the exact answer. I don't know if it's still 50-50, because I notice when I'm going to a turn, and if I do it really fast, I mean obviously it will skid, right? But like you feel that it will slide a little bit, like the tail will like a little bit. And so yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not an expert, but that's what I notice on snow mode. But it really helps from a stoplight. And so, for example, it's like really snowing, and then you're in a stoplight or a stop sign, and then stop and go. It really helps you. You won't like spin a lot. You won't get stuck there spinning like a front wheel drive or rear wheel drive, spinning your tires trying to get traction. But with this one, it's smooth moving. Smooth. So yeah, we're almost there. Just gonna find a big parking lot, and hopefully there's not too much people in the parking lot, so I can do some drifting action. And there's some cars too. Come by, trucks, cars, SUVs. I think mainly because they're doing I don't know, a hike probably on the trail.
Yeah.
Yeah, see. They're probably, some of them are probably, you know, you know. So I'm kind of nervous and exciting and then happy.
Okay.
Because there's cars over there doing some shredding their lifter. Is this the road? No, it's not.
No, it's not. It's
Oh,
a trail.
yeah. I've seen some cars over there in a distance.
Distance. I think this is the one. No, but
I see some cars there drifting. Oh, we can get in here.
yeah, I think this one's okay too.
Let's try here. But I can see on the other parking lot. See? Like,
Oh yeah, there's some people doing it over there.
yeah, let's try. So I guess the parking lot is much better. It's not bouncy. I'm not sure what's the difference. But I can like